Long-standing production know-how and continuous quality checks are vital criteria for precise spirit levels. It starts with premium raw materials delivered by reliable long-term partners. Despite the high-quality standards of our suppliers, we conduct in-house quality checks as well. Over the course of the production process, we check the precision of our vials at every step. At the end, we conduct a final electronic check on all our spirit levels. The standard and inverted positions are tested on all vertical and horizontal vials. Additionally, our employees randomly sample the quality of the individual components. We can therefore guarantee that all SOLA spirit levels are checked 100% before they leave production. Continuous testing of the product range in extreme conditions complements our regular quality checks. On the basis of these results, we optimize our spirit levels accordingly.